Go ahead.
This here is something I made 70, early 73 or 4, something like that, maybe 72. But you can see it was made of just the leftover pieces that normally I recycle.
Gotcha.
Or nowadays I would recycle. So that was the birth of these. It's weird that they're both yellow, but these are something that I made when I was doing the art shows.
So it became more refined over time.
Yeah, this was like, it wasn't even the prototype, it was just scraps.
So that was like more, can I do this?
Cut-offs, you know, what am I going to do with these cut-offs? And then this is where, and I made these for, so I'd have something $15-20 at the art shows, because if you don't have something
lower,
you're not going to sell anything.
You need to have both high end and low end.
So anyway, that's that.
That's nice.
The evolution. And these, I was making these.
Now, did you have like brides, you know, like couples buy these and they wanted to use them in their wedding photos?
Yeah, sometimes. But sometimes just, and mostly, all I have is yellow, but I'd make them blue and red and whatever, all these different.
Very cool.
colors.
They're very lovely. I like
Anyway.
them. I've always liked those.
That's what I used to do. Okay.